Hey guys, if you want to open a Moonpay account, then here's how to do it. First, download or install your Moonpay account from your Play Store or Apple Store, then simply open it. And from here you will find Get Started button. Simply click on it, and here you can go with your email address, or also you can go with your Google account. If you want to go with your email address, then simply click on email address and enter your email address, then simply click on the continue button. Then you have to set a password from your email address. And if you want to go with your Google account here, and you just need to select the account that you want to use to create the or sign into your Moonpay account. You just need to give the permission from your Google account to sign into Moonpay with the email address or the Google account. Then simply you will get the agreements, the privacy and policy. You just need to click on these two boxes, check these two boxes, and click on the continue button, and it will take a few minutes to setting up your account here. Now after the setting up process, you will get your account here. You can see I'm on the dashboard of my Moonpay account here. That's how you can create your Moonpay account. Also, you can click on your profile icon to edit your profile details. You can simply click on edit details here, and you can set your username. You can change your username anytime, but if your username is available, then you can set your username in Moonpay. That's all you have to do to open a new Moonpay account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.